Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Today we are stepping into a new chapter. Which is it? We will see. Okay? Now, the position of two lines. How will be the position of two lines in a plane?
Intersecting.
Intersecting only. What are these lines are called?
Intersecting.
These lines are called intersecting lines. The position may be like this. They may intersect. They may not intersect. And one more, the position may be like this.
Okay.
These are called coincident lines.
Coincident.
Coincident lines.
Those are parallel lines.
Yes, these are intersecting lines.
Okay.
Intersecting lines.
Lines.
These are non-intersecting lines. Means these are parallel lines.
Okay.
What is the difference between intersecting and non-intersecting and parallel? Parallel lines means the distance between these two lines same everywhere. If here it is 2 centimeters, here also 2 centimeters.
Okay.
Now you see, what are these lines called?
Non-intersecting.
These are non-intersecting. If you say non-intersecting, I say that is wrong. Why? This is here the length, the distance between these two lines.
Yeah.
Here is more. By measuring here,
Yeah.
here, you see, you are coming here,
Yeah,
decreasing. The distance is decreasing. Somewhere they may intersect. If you come like that,
Okay.
somewhere these lines may be intersecting. So, these are called not parallel lines.
Intersecting lines.
These are intersecting
Okay.
lines only. Got it?
Yes.
Now, coming here. These are intersecting, these are parallel, these are coincident.
Coincident.
If two lines are there, their position will be like this.
Okay.
If a line and a curve is there on the plane, how
Line
will
and
be
a curve.
their position? The curve means the curve may be parabola or a circle.
Okay.
Curve may be
Parabola or circle.
parabola or a
Circle.
circle. Here we consider a circle.
Okay.
Take a circle with center O. Center is
Whoa.
now. What is the position of a line PQ? Take a line PQ.
Okay.
What is the position of this line and this circle on the
Intersecting.
plane? Intersecting means how they will be. Suppose you are asked to draw a line and a circle on a plane. How will you draw?
Intersecting, parallel, coincident.
Parallel, intersecting, parallel, coincident for this circle and the line you are saying.
Circle, parallel, can't, I think.
Okay.
Okay.
One of you, suppose you are asked to draw, one of you guys may draw
Okay.
PQ.
Okay. Outside of the circle.
Yes. PQ.
Hmm.
These two only. Is
Yes.
there any position?
Oh, okay.
PQ.
Q.
Line is PQ, I say. Circle is center with center O.
O.
Now, is there any common point between these two, circle and the line?
No.
No common point. No common point. So there is no relation
No relation.
between these two.
Okay.
Here you see, the line is intersecting, as you said earlier.
Yeah.
Line and the circle is intersecting at 2 points A and
B.
B. If you see like this, you may understand. Here A, line is PQ, don't get confused. Okay, line is PQ.
AB are intersecting points.
Intersecting points are AB, suppose. Is it okay?
Okay.
These are intersecting points.
Okay.
If a line intersecting the circle at 2 points, it is called the secant.
Secant.
secant of the
Circle.
circle. Got it? Now, this secant forms a chord. What is it called? Chord. This secant forms a chord AB with the endpoints AB on the circle. The endpoints AB lies on the circle. Got it? Now, this is called the secant. In second case, we got the line is
Secant.
intersecting the circle at 2 points, which is called the
Secant.
secant of the
Okay.
circle. Now, coming to the case 3. In case 3, you see the line touches the circle.
Okay.
The line touches the circle at only one point. At only
One
one
point.
point. This is called the tangent. What is it? It is a tangent to the circle. Now you see, if a line intersecting the circle at 2 points, it is called the secant.
Secant.
If a line touches the circle at only one and only one point, is called the tangent to the circle. Now today our lesson is
Tangents.
tangents and secants to a circle.
Oh, secants also. Okay. Tangents and secants. Circle.
Tangents and secants to a circle. Got it?
Yes.
Now, as I said, this is the chord.
Oh,
This is the chord. Okay?
okay.
What do you call about this? That is the segment.
Segment.
Segment. Okay?
AB
You
chord.
will learn in your exercise 3 in the same chapter.
Okay.
This is the called the minor segment and this is called the whatever it may be major segment.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Got it all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Now, today our lesson is
Tangents
tangents and
secants.
secants to a
Circle.
circle. The word tangent came from a Latin word tangere, which means to touch. Tangere means
Touch. Tangent.
to touch. Introduced by a Danish mathematician Thomas Finke in 1583. He worked as a professor in a Copenhagen University for 60 years.
60.
60 years worked as a professor. Means how much knowledge he has. What do we call this is?
Tangent.
This is a tangent touching the circle at
P.
P. The common point of a tangent and the circle is called point of contact.
Okay.
The common point of a circle and the tangent is called the point of contact. Got it?
P is the point of contact.
Here P is the point of contact.
Okay.
Okay. What is the definition of a circle?
Circle. Locus.
Okay. Locus
Locus
of
of points.
set of points.
Set
Locus
of
of points. What
Okay.
you say?
Equidistant.
Which
from
are
fixed.
equidistant from a fixed point. That fixed point is called the center of the circle, denoted by C or O. C or O. And the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle, denoted by R. Got it?
Yes.
Now, tell me, the tangent touches the circle at only one point.
Yes.
Since the circle is set of infinite
Point.
points, how many tangents can you draw?
Infinite.
Oh, very good. Very nice. Infinite tangents we can draw for a circle.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yes.
Yes. Now, here we call this is
Point of
point
contact.
of contact. Point of contact means the common point of the tangent and the circle. The tangent where
Where it
touches the circle at that point is called the point of contact. Got it? Now, if you draw a radius,
Radius.
that is the radius. OP is the
Radius.
radius. Okay. If you the angle between the you observe carefully, angle between the radius OP and the tangent XY is always 90 degrees. How?
Perpendicular. It is looking like that. That's
Yes, it is by looking only, not only by looking, we have to prove it. Okay, OP is perpendicular to XY, I am saying. Okay, if I draw the figure, you will understand better, I think. Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
OP is perpendicular to XY, I am saying. How we will see now? This is perpendicular, I am saying. Suppose any point Q on the tangent. I am taking here. Any point Q is on the tangent only. If I join OQ, okay, suppose you want to take or other point within the
Circle.
circle. This is P, I said. This is perpendicular, I said. Okay. Suppose this is the R, this is the point R. If you draw a line passing through the R, is it a tangent? First thing I am asking.
No, secant.
This is the, it won't be a tangent, it will be a secant. One more thing I am asking you, if you join O and R, is it a radius?
No, less than radius. No?
Yes,
Inside.
this is not the radius. So, you can't take any point like in the circle.
Inside the circle. Okay.
Lies inside the circle. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Now, so you should not take any point inside the circle. Leave it. But we can take any point on the tangent because I said, what did I say? The radius, the angle between the radius and the tangent at the point of contact is 90 degrees, I said. Got it?
Yes.
Now, suppose Q is a point. Here some S is there. You see, what is OS?
Radius.
OS is nothing but
Radius.
radius. OP equal to OS also. Both are radius. But here you see OP also radius, you know.
Yes.
Now, what is this SQ? SQ, external
Point.
Yes, Q is external point only. But what is SQ? That is extra distance from O to Q, isn't it?
Yes.
Other than radius.
Okay.
The length is extra length. SQ is the extra length for the OS radius, isn't it? Here you see OQ is greater than OP, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
OQ is greater than
OP.
OP. Do remember that the perpendicular distance is always the shortest distance
Yes.
for 2 points.
Yes, ma'am.
Distance between 2 points is perpendicular distance is always the shortest distance is the perpendicular distance. OQ is greater than OP. OP is perpendicular to XY, isn't it?
Yes.
OP is perpendicular to the line XY.
Okay. Then it is 90
Then,
degrees.
then
OP.
yes,
Oh,
angle
OP
Q or Y, whatever you say, is going to be
90
90
degrees.
degrees, isn't it?
Yes.
I said radius is always perpendicular to the
Tangent.
tangent. Okay,
At point of contact only, ma'am.
at the point of contact only. Or else this is also A. This is not the radius
Yeah.
actually at the point of contact.
Okay.
Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. This line OP is called normal
Okay.
because it is perpendicular to the tangent. That's why OP is called
Normal.
normal to the circle.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Now, always do remember any line passing through the perpendicular to the point of contact, that line passes through the center.
Okay.
Reverse I am saying.
Okay.
If a line passing through the center perpendicular to the point of contact, tangent, right? Now, if any line perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact always passes through the center,
Center.
right?
Okay.
Okay. Now, you can find the length of the tangent. How we will see now. What is the length of the tangent?
Madam, at the time you told that it passes through the tangent.
Which one?
No, center. You means
Yes.
like that?
Yes, it will.
Okay.
Any line, now it's, this is the tangent,
Okay.
this is the line, point of contact P. Any line perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent,
Okay.
it
goes
passes through the
got it.
center.
Okay, I got it.
Got it?
Yes, yes.
Vice versa.
Okay.
Line
I
is
got it.
perpendicular
Yeah.
to the tangent, it passes through the center.
Okay.
If any line passes through the center,
It
to
is
the
perpendicular to point of contact.
perpendicular to the tangent at
Tangent.
the point of contact.
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Right. Got it?
Yes.
Now, what is the length of the tangent?
Length of the tangents.
Length of the tangent.
Tangents.
What does it mean? Length of the tangent means from an end point of the tangent to the point of contact.
Okay.
Here, PQ is called
Length of
the tangent. PQ is called length of the tangent. How can you find the length of the tangent? We will see now.
Okay.
How can you find the PQ from this point? Okay. What is the angle between the
90
radius
degrees.
and the tangent at the point of contact is?
90 degrees.
90 degrees, as you know. Join OQ also.
Okay.
Okay. If you join OQ, which type of triangle formed here?
Right triangle.
OPQ. Triangle OPQ is a right triangle. Triangle OPQ is a right triangle. In a right triangle, as you know, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse, here what is hypotenuse?
OQ.
OQ. OQ square equal to
OP square plus
OP square plus
PQ square.
PQ square.
Okay.
By using, what is this formula?
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, you can find the length of the tangent. But if you want the formula, we can make a formula. Suppose OQ, what is OQ? Hypotenuse. OQ is D. Let OQ equal to D. And OP, you know, what is it?
Radius.
Radius of the circle. That is denoted by R. And PQ, you
Length
want
of
to
the
find the
tangent.
length of the tangent, which is equal. What have you learnt today? We have learnt a tangent. What? A secant.
Yes.
What is a tangent?
A line touches the circle at one point is called
A
tangent.
line touches the circle at one and only one point is called the tangent to the circle. What is a secant? Any line intersecting the circle
2 points.
at 2 points is called the secant of the circle.
Yes.
Next, what do you call a tangent? Touches the circle at one point. What is it point? Common point is called
Point of contact.
point of contact. the angle between the point of contact and the tangent
90
is how
degrees.
much?
90
It is 90 degrees. How can you find the length of the tangent? By using Pythagoras theorem or using the formula also.
Okay.
How many tangents can you draw for a circle?
Infinite.
You can draw infinite tangents to a circle. Tomorrow we will start our next exercise. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.